Tag TV and Tag Radio be seen and heard by both technology users and technology producers throughout the state of Georgia and around the world. Low cost, big benefits, powerhouse online branded video and audio has arrived. Tag TV, Tag Radio, there's a lot more to know. This edition of Tech Talk is brought to you by GlobalSpeak.com, new media consultants, corporate video and audio communications, video and audio production and distribution, live and virtual event production. Tag TV and Tag Radio is a service of GlobalSpeak.com, creatively delivering powerful marketing, video, and audio solutions. When people hear the name EarthLink, fond memories of an ISP pioneer likely come to mind. But the EarthLink of today has evolved into an IT services and communications company focused on servicing businesses of all sizes, as well as consumers. EarthLink's portfolio now includes cloud computing, managed and private cloud, and virtualization solutions, such as managed hosting and cloud workspace. The company also offers a robust suite of IT security, application hosting, co-location, and IT support services. Michael Toplisek, EarthLink's Executive Vice President for IT Services, joined the company in May. He focuses on IT services product strategy and is very enthusiastic about helping clients maximize their productivity and cost savings using these applications and technologies. Greetings, everyone. It's Tuesday, August 7th, 2012, and this is a special edition of Tech Talk with Technology Association of Georgia President Tino Mantella. Up to the Tech Talk, EarthLink sees rapidly evolving cloud and IT technologies as a game changer for the industry, the company, and its consumers. Tino speaks with Michael Toplisek, Executive VP IT Services at EarthLink. Michael brings experience in successfully launching a high-growth IT services product strategy, most recently as president of Concentric Cloud Solutions, a EXO communications company. He oversees IT service product development, management, and marketing for EarthLink's growing IT services business, which includes virtualization, managed security, application services, managed support, and data center services. Michael has more than 20 years of progressive leadership experience in IT, infrastructure, and communications industry. In addition to launching a new cloud solutions business for EXO Communications, he previously served as the company's chief marketing officer, where he developed, implemented, and helped execute a growth strategy for the business services division. Prior to EXO, Michael held the position of Senior Vice President, Global Enterprise and Collaboration, as well as Regional Vice President of Business Services for Global Crossing. EarthLink IT products and solutions. Are IT technologies changing the game for the company and its customers? Tino takes you inside the pioneering IT provider to more than 150,000 businesses and over 1 million customers as we Tech Talk EarthLink today and tomorrow with the Corporate Executive Vice President, IT Services, Michael Toplisek.
Mike, thanks for joining me on Tech Talk.
Hey, thanks, Tino. How are you today?
I'm doing great, and hopefully you're doing well as well. I want to jump right into this interview and start out by saying, boy, the world of technology is certainly changing fast. I know things are changing fast at EarthLink. So talk a little bit about your vision for EarthLink's IT services.
Yeah, very fast. And the vision really is for EarthLink to be an IT services company. We want to become a company that just provides virtualization and IT services to small and mid-sized business customers and bring together all of the necessary point solutions for our customers to run their business, through one single, easy-to-manage control point. And ultimately, the telecom type products that we've provided for years will continue to be products, but they'll just be additional individual point solutions in the portfolio of IT services.
And you're evolving into many things that relate to the cloud and virtualization. Talk a little bit about that.
We are. We have data centers now, 4 up and running currently, 3 additional that we're adding. We provide a full suite of virtualized services today, cloud computing, managed email, software as a service, and we wrap it all up with Tier 1 help desk support or tech care support, as we call it. So the idea really is to allow our customers to get back and focus on their business, and we provide the underlying IT infrastructure for them to do that.
Well, as we talk to our CIOs and some of the senior leaders in technology in many of our companies, they're certainly, it's almost like old news now in terms of the word cloud, but now it's figuring out how to actually use it and where you can use it and when you can use it. And I think a lot of it has to do with, a secure environment, making sure that these leaders are making decisions that not only are efficient but also effective in respect to security. So can you address that in terms of how EarthLink sees this? If you're talking to an IT manager that might be interested in buying your products and services, how do you kind of get them over that security hump?
Yeah, you're exactly right. Security concerns, I would say, really are the governor that controls the speed at which businesses are moving towards cloud services, because it just makes so much sense otherwise. But what I would say is, and what I do say is that a couple of things. Number one, EarthLink has deep roots in virtualized services and deep roots in security. We've been doing this and worrying about it for years, and while security is top of everybody's mind, and to each customer, the things that are important to them are the most important things, period. Security, if you're in our business, is really the heart of what we do. If we aren't as secure or more so than everybody else, we don't have a business. So we have some of the brightest minds in the industry. We stay close to the best partners and on top of industry trends, and really just try to take that worry out of the equation for our customers and embed security into everything that we do.
And then, if you're looking at, there's obviously a number of players in this space, and all of our companies want to make sure there's some differentiators. How do you differentiate EarthLink's IT services and virtualization from others that are out there offering maybe something in the same general space?
There are a lot of differentiators. On the individual point solutions, we're a VMware vCloud powered infrastructure. Most businesses run VMware, and our cloud platform allows our customers to integrate their current platform to the EarthLink infrastructure. And since VMware has 80% market share, that's important. We have built-in SAN replication. But I would say one of the biggest things that we're working towards is the integration of multiple products onto one invoice, ultimately with one throat to choke, if you will, from a standpoint of trouble resolution. For an example, we have an integrated MPLS connectivity, where the vCloud platform can build a virtual data center that's connected to a customer's private MPLS network without ever having to traverse a public connection. And again, to wrap all of this together with our Tech Care product or Tier 1 help desk support product really differentiates us in the marketplace.
And I have time for one last question, and we always like to look out to the future in terms of what is on the horizon for the company. Any new things? I think there was some recent information in the news on EarthLink, but in terms of products and solutions, is there anything you can kind of give us a scoop on today, what you guys are working on?
Yeah, we've got our eyes and ears to the street and beyond the street to see what's happening. And most of the trends that we're seeing are the fact that more companies are catering to remote employees. So we just launched our virtual desktop product. We call it Cloud Workspace. It allows customers and their employees to log into their virtualized desktop from really any location with internet access and any type of device. And you'll see more and more product releases like that from us, things that help customers with asset management, specifically mobility, as they're rolling out, iPads and mobile phones and smartphones to employees, and we're going to help our customers enable bring your own device policy for their customers, because for their employees rather, because that seems to be the top of most of our customers' minds.
Yeah, we did a couple surveys this year with decision makers, and certainly BYOD and then the broader topic of mobility are right up there, number one, followed by cloud, number two. So certainly EarthLink's in the right space in this day and age. So, Mike, well, thanks an awful lot for joining me on Tech Talk, and we're appreciative that EarthLink is a great premier member tag and very supportive. So all the best to you and the company moving forward.
Glad to be here. Thank you for the time. Take care.